That's what the call to an abundant life is. So let's take this to our time of meditation. Let's see what the longing of our heart is and transform ourselves by we transform our lives. Right? The band's coming back and Misa's going to come up. I invite you to get comfortable in your chair. This is an odd thing to say, but let the chair hold you. Sometimes we hold ourselves up rather than let the chair hold us. Feel your back against the chair. Feel your feet firmly on the floor. This very solid and secure space. And let this music, this vibration, pour through every cell and atom of your body. Let my voice and Misa's voice be your voice as you settle in to this peace that passes all understanding.
I am light, I am light. I am light, I am light. I am not the things my family did. I am not the voices in my head. I am not the pieces of the brokenness inside. I am light, light. I'm not the mistakes that I have made, or any of the things that cause me pain. I am not the pieces of the dreams I've left behind. I am light, light. I am not the color of my eyes. I am not the skin on the outside. I am not my age. I am not my race. My soul inside. All light. I am 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 light. Oh, light.
We breathe into that knowing that the light within us is longing to be seen, longing to be known, aching to be expressed. So whatever that light is for you, I invite you to see it within you right now as you breathe into your heart space. Breathe in to that light and watch the oxygen and the substance of the divine that you breathe in fuel that flame, that light. And feel within you right now as it fills every cell and atom of your whole body. From the top of your head, through your face, through your shoulders and arms, into your hands. From your chest into your stomach and internal organs, and your hips, legs, knees, and feet is all vibrant light. That is the truth of who you are. And right here and right now, every cell and atom of your physical body now radiates as that light, filling every corner of this room, touching every soul that sits here with us, and transforming life after life, moment after moment, space after space. We now notice as this light cannot be contained by this room and pours out all over Unity Village, illuminating the whole city of Unity and illuminating the county of Jackson and the state of Missouri and Kansas. Knowing that our light cannot be suppressed or contained, we know that the light we are connects with all the lights around the globe. Night and day are now illuminated by the one light that we all share. Connecting with each other, connecting with all souls on this planet. We now sit in the silence. We reconnect with that light at any moment. For that light is really the truth of our identity, the divinity within us and everywhere around us is that light. We are magnificent expressions of the divine here in this time and place, to let our light be the healing energy of the world. We are a cosmic gift to this moment in time, so that the world may be healed by us and by our courageous presence, by our loving and transformative words, touch, and actions. We are healing light. We are loving light. We are powerful light. We are wise. We are peaceful light. We are all that is needed. Right here and right now, know with us that I am divine. You are divine. And we move and have our being in this knowledge.
I am divinity defined. I am God on the inside. I am a star, shining peace over it all. I am light, I am light. Sing with me. I am light, I am light. I am light, I am light, I am light. You are light. You are light, 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 we are light, we are light, we are light, we are light. We are light, oh light.
And so it is. Namaste.